Siphinde sinamukeleke ngani zakwethu kwi-Durban Network. Njengamanje nginozama wakaKhumalo we-KZN Tech Horizon. Sisiyakubingelela.
Oh, ngiyabonga kakhulu sanibonani nonke. Ngiyajabula ukuza lana nje ukuba lana anyway.
Wow. You are the part of KZN Investment Conference. Kusho ukuthini lokhu kuwena?
Lokho nje kusho ukuthi we part of the future basically ngoba mesikhuluma ngendaba ze-investment sikhuluma ngokuthi ikusasa lase KZN lithini basically and what is it that we can do yabo. So for me this is such a beautiful opportunity ngoba ngikwazi ukuxhumana nabantu that are doing amazing things, abantu abafana njengawe ngoba inina that are basically going to broadcast and talk about the amazing things that people are doing. So, I mean, it's such a beautiful opportunity and to talk about future projects that Umuntu is currently working on. Yeah.
Zithuliwe ama-pledges abekhona namhlanje abantu abathi thina sowenza u1 no2 imali ekhishiwe it's more than 100 billion.
Yeah.
Do you see yourself benefiting out of that?
Definitely. Ngaphandle ngendaba yemali, but I also see myself benefiting in the sense of in network because iyona umnotho egcineni mesikhuluma iqiniso. In network is your net worth egcineni. So besides indaba yemali, which obviously umuntu uyayidinga, but the most important thing is abantu that you are with banani beza nani, what are they going to contribute to making sure ukuthi lento oyiphethe noma lento onayo is powerful enough to take you going forward. So I definitely am willing to be obviously one of the people that are going to be a beneficiary within what has been stated, you know, but at the same time I also look at the community mphakathi that's around me. How is it that we can also uplift ourselves besides the monetary value as well?
Have you been able to make some friends?
No, definitely. Bakhona abantu abakhona, and also I saw other people. Potential friends. Bakhona impela. And also I met up with people that I've been friends with. Ukuthi how sibani kade ngagcina mfowethu angisakwazi into enjalo wenza njengamanje hayi mina ngenza ukuthi asixhumane sikhulume nje sibone ngokuthi phambili sizowenza njani yabo.
So umubuka nje iSouth Africa noma iKZN in particular abantu bayantula ngokomsebenzi naba abatshala izimali beza bethi bazotshala imali bazokwenza ushintsho. Kusho ukuthini kuwena
lokho kusho ukuthi abantu they want to make a change empilweni zabo.
Yes.
In the sense of ukuthi yebo kukhona imali, but at the end of the day ukuze bazokwazi ukufaka isinkwa on the table, they need to make a change. They need to see ukuthi what is out there. Even if mhlambe ke khona into ejwayelekile ngibone a lot of agriculture going on inside, but it's something that's going to benefit abantu basendlini egcineni, you know, and making sure ngokuthi we're not just sitting around ngoba kwesinye isikhathi uthola ukuthi abantu will always say hi, for instance abantu abasha bahleli kanti akulona iqiniso. Abantu abasha they are working, abantu abasha bafuna amathuba, but they realize that sometimes amathuba you have to go up and wake up and make a difference egcineni yabo. So those are the types of things where I'm seeing ukuthi hey abantu they have to make something for themselves ukuze bazoba nekusasa elihle nje egcineni yabo. It's not just only me, mina I represent those very same people that have dreams because nami nginamaphupho as well. Nami nginesifiso ngokuthi ngithola imali, but ukuze ngizokwazi ukuthi ngisondele kuleyo mali whatever, I need to make sure ngokuthi I'm going in the right direction. Participate. Ngiyakhuluma, ngiyathetha as well because kubalekile ngokuthi sikhulume futhi ngokuthi iziphi inkinga esibhekene nazo, but at the same time iziphi ixazululo that we can work on at the same time.
You are a woman in business.
Yes.
For which esikhathini esiphambilini ibhizinisi bekuyinto yamadoda abesifazane bengajwayelekile ibhizinisi. Kwaseninesibindi manje ukuthi no, nathi sifuna ukuzimela, nathi sifuna ukwenza kwenzeka. Kusho ukuthini lo?
For me it's, you know, ngiyithanda indlela oyibeka ngayo ngokuthi ibhizinisi bekuyinto yamadoda kodwa egcineni you need to also remember ukuthi obani that are talking in the ears of amadoda ukuze bona bazokwazi uqhubeka kahle yabo. So i-advice who do they go to? They go to their wives, they go to their girlfriends, or abanye abantu besimame that are in charge or that have importance empilweni zabo. For me, being a woman in business, because besides being in the tech industry, I'm also in the media industry as well. I own a company that focuses on looking at individuals about and how is it that they're doing everything that how is it that they're doing things good as well. And for me as umuntu wesimame, it is so important ukuthi give a voice to abanye abantu besimame ubakhombisa ngokuthi noma kunzima kangakanani you have a voice, you have a place. Ungazibukeli phansi kodwa nje wazi ngokuthi nje at the end of the day what you need to add onto the table is very important. So for me this is a beautiful thing. I'm a person that also works behind the scenes, but it's also nice to be on the scenes as well. Ngoba uthola ukuthi abantu are just like yazi ukuthini angithandi ngokuthi ngibe kwi spotlight, but iyona into ebalekile kabi ukuze abantu bazokwazi ngokuthi hawu kanti bekuzama that was working on ukuthi nokuthi. So for me it's such a pleasure and it's an honor, and I really do truly appreciate it.
Where do you see yourself in the next 10 years?
In the next 10 years, definitely holding an empire, definitely having more people whereby they will be mentoring abanye abantu. So khona la I was busy doing a training session ney'ngane zesikole, and I was busy teaching them ukuthi basebenzisa kanjani uCanva, and basically telling them ngokuthi mufuna ukuyenza i-wallpaper efonini yakho uzoyenza kanjani. So it's things like that whereby not only ngokuthi uzama uzofundisa mhlawumbe usibonele sengenza umzekelo usibonele kodwa usibonelo yena uzofundisa usisi wakhe uzofundisa omunye umuntu. So siyabona nje ngokuthi siyafundisana nje egcineni, and sithola ukuthi there's going to be a chain reaction. So that's the type of empire that I definitely see myself in. And also motivating more women, having a chain of women that will be a network of women where they'll be able to benefit from what I've been giving them as well.
Premier KwaZulu-Natal uThami Ntuli, MEC for Economic Development uMusa Zondi, uSihle Ngcamu, ungafisa ukuthini bona because ibona abantu aba-engineer this idea and make sure ukuthi it becomes a success?
Truly, we are appreciative, board leadership. Thank you so much for this opportunity. We're very thankful for the fact ukuthi you are able to go down to grassroots levels. Nathi ke sizogqugquzela abanye abantu ukuthi bafike nje kulama event bakhulume nani futhi basho nje ukuthi benzani egcineni, ngoba akumele ngokuthi uvele uhlale ekhoneni ngoba njengoba uMandozo kade esho nje ngokuthi uzoyithola kanjani muhlele ekhoneni. So we really are appreciative of these opportunities, and we need more of these opportunities, and to be putting it out even more to abanye abantu so they'll benefit to these type of things. So we really are appreciative, and we want to see more of these, and we want to see more people benefiting from it. That's all I'm just going to say.
Really appreciate your time.
Thank you so much, Butwa. Siyabonga. Bonga men. Thank you.